Hey everyone, welcome to Legends of Commander, where we introduce some of the popular commanders in Magic the Gathering. Today we have Atraxa, Praetor's Voice, a 4-color powerhouse with the ability to proliferate at the end of your turn, meaning you can add an additional counter to any permanent or player in the game. There are 3 main uses for counters: Poison, +1/+1, or Planeswalkers. Any player with 10 poison counters loses, so cards such as Ichor Rats and the new Fynn the Fangbearer will line up nicely alongside Atraxa. Or you could focus on +1/+1 counters combined with multiple Planeswalkers. For example, Teferi Master of Time will quickly ramp up his loyalty counters to give you extra turns. Apart from Atraxa, you'll have other cards such as Evolution Sage and Vorinclex Monstrous Rider that will help you add even more counters. Atraxa is one of the most well-known commanders because of her ability to run away with the game. Thanks for watching Tap and Sack. Do subscribe to get more weekly MTG content.